is All India Radio Shillong. We now bring to you a special roundup on COVID-19. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has announced that domestic civil aviation operations will restart from Monday in a calibrated manner. The flight operation was suspended from 25th of March due to the imposition of lockdown. Addressing media in New Delhi, Mr. Puri said the domestic flight operation will resume to a limited extent of required and approved summer schedule. The minister said for a journey between 90 to 120 minutes, the minimum fare will be 3,500 rupees and maximum would be 10,000 rupees. He said in case of Delhi-Mumbai flight, 3,500 rupees will be the minimum fare and maximum will be 10,000 rupees, which will be operative till 11:59 p.m. on August 24th. Railway Minister Piyush Goyal said booking of train tickets will resume at around 1.7 lakhs common service center across the country today. He said people who are in remote locations where the availability of computers and internet is negligible or absent can also access it. The minister also said booking will also resume at counters at specific railway station over the next 2 to 3 days. Earlier, Railways announced the operation of 200 trains from 1st June, of which booking started at 10 a.m. yesterday. The number of COVID-19 cases in the country has gone up to 118,447, while the death toll rose to 3,583. Health Ministry data said the number of active COVID-19 cases stood at 66,330. As many as 48,533 people have cured and have been discharged so far. The Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) has said that a total of 1,03,514 samples of coronavirus were tested in the last 24 hours. The figure of total numbers of tests has reached 27,19,434 in the country. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Thursday informed that approximately 1,500 stranded state citizens arrived in Guwahati on Thursday evening and were expected to reach the destination by night. He said that they had boarded the buses for the respective destination. On arrival, they would be screened and put through both rapid and RT-PCR tests and kept in institutional quarantine until the results are out. It may be mentioned that as of now, returnees have come back to the state after special trains were arranged by the state government from Chennai, Gujarat and Bangalore. AIR station. The Division Bench of the High Court of Meghalaya has directed the state government to file a report in the form of an affidavit regarding the nature of quarantine being followed by the state government. The action of the court follows a letter from City's resident Jones GTL Lamare, who had raised a certain objection to the government directive for home quarantine. The letter was included as part of the pending PIL related to the matter by the court. Lamare has highlighted deficiency in the method of quarantine being followed by the government. The court took up the matter and said the concern raised by Lamare appeared to be genuine and in public interest. The matter will be taken up for hearing again on May 27th. Arunachal Pradesh government will recognize the state's transport department staff who are engaged in the transportation of Arunachalis returning to the state as COVID-19 frontline workers. Speaking there, AIR's